Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered what secrets it holds? Our universe, an unending expanse of cosmic wonder, has been the subject of human curiosity for millennia. From the earliest attempts of our ancestors deciphering the patterns of stars, to modern scientists probing the farthest reaches of the cosmos, our quest to understand the universe has been a constant journey. This journey has led us to make mind-boggling discoveries, each one more fascinating than the last. We've unraveled the mysteries of our solar system, ventured beyond into the depths of interstellar space, and even glimpsed into the very origins of the universe itself. But the more we discover, the more we realize just how much there is left to explore. Our thirst for knowledge is insatiable, and the universe, ever generous, continues to offer us more questions than answers. So, let's embark on this cosmic journey, tracing the path of human understanding, from the earliest celestial observations to the latest discoveries. Our journey begins thousands of years ago with the first humans to gaze up at the stars. Can you imagine what it must have been like, staring into the night sky, watching those twinkling lights without any understanding of what they truly were? Yet even without the scientific knowledge we possess today, early civilizations were fascinated by the spectacle of the cosmos. In ancient times, different cultures around the world had their own interpretations of what they observed in the heavens. Some saw gods and goddesses, while others saw patterns that told stories or guided their way. These were the first constellations, celestial roadmaps, if you will. From the Big Dipper to Orion's Belt, these star patterns became a part of human culture, embedded in our stories and myths. Around the same time, early civilizations started to notice a rhythm in the skies, a dance between the sun, moon, and stars that marked the passage of time. They observed the moon waxing and waning in a cycle that repeated every 28 days or so. This led to the creation of the first lunar calendars, which were used for everything from planting crops to planning religious ceremonies. In ancient Egypt, they followed the heliacal rising of Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. This event, which marked the beginning of the Egyptian New Year, was closely tied to the flooding of the Nile, a crucial event in their agricultural calendar. In the Americas, the Mayans developed an intricate calendar system based on careful observations of celestial bodies. Their astronomical prowess was such that they could predict solar eclipses and even the cycle of Venus with astounding accuracy. Meanwhile, in ancient Mesopotamia, the Babylonians were making detailed records of the movements of celestial bodies, which led to the creation of the zodiac that we still use today. These early observations and the knowledge gleaned from them formed the foundation of astronomy. They laid the groundwork for understanding the cosmos, setting the stage for future generations to explore the stars and unravel the mysteries of the universe. These early observations laid the groundwork for the study of astronomy, paving the way for future discoveries. Fast forward to the 17th century, an era of great revolutions, not just on Earth, but also in our understanding of the universe. A time when thinkers, astronomers, and scholars began to challenge the long-held beliefs about the cosmos, forever changing our perspective of our place in the universe. This was the era of Nicholas Copernicus, a Polish astronomer who dared to suggest a radical idea. He proposed that the Earth was not the center of the universe, as traditionally believed. Instead, he presented us with a heliocentric model, with the sun at the center and the planets, including Earth, revolving around it. This was a groundbreaking theory that stirred the scientific community and ignited a revolution in astronomical thinking. Around the same time, a man named Galileo Galilei was making strides in a similar direction. Galileo, an Italian astronomer, physicist, and engineer, is often credited with the invention of the telescope. This invention was an astronomical game-changer, literally. With it, Galileo could observe the stars and planets more closely than ever before. He discovered the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus, sunspots, and the craters of the moon. Each of these discoveries further supported the heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus. Then came Johannes Kepler, a German astronomer, who took the heliocentric model a step further. He introduced the laws of planetary motion, explaining how planets move in elliptical orbits around the sun, and not in perfect circles as previously thought. These laws became the foundation for Sir Isaac Newton's law of universal gravitation. These three great minds, Copernicus, Galileo, and Kepler, each made significant contributions to our understanding of the solar system. Their discoveries were not just about stars and planets, but about us. They made us realize our true place in the grand scheme of things, that we are but a small part of a vast and complex universe. These discoveries transformed our understanding of the universe, showing us that Earth was not the center of everything. As technology advanced, so did our ability to explore the stars. The 20th century was a period of groundbreaking discoveries as we ventured beyond the confines of our solar system. As we cast our eyes further afield, we began to realize that our Milky Way was just one of countless galaxies stretching out across the cosmos. This revelation, in the early part of the century, was a watershed moment, fundamentally changing our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Then came the theory of an ever-expanding universe. Edwin Hubble, the man after whom the Hubble telescope is named, discovered that galaxies were moving away from us in every direction. This suggested that the universe was not static but dynamic and ever-changing. This discovery, made in the 1920s, turned our concept of the universe on its head, leading to the widely accepted theory of the Big Bang. As we moved further into the 20th century, another mind-bending concept emerged: the existence of black holes. These cosmic phenomena, regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape, were first theorized in the early 20th century. But it wasn't until the late 20th century that we found conclusive evidence of their existence, forever changing our understanding of the laws of physics. But what would these discoveries be without the tools to make them? The Hubble telescope, launched in 1990, has been instrumental in many of these discoveries. From capturing the first detailed images of distant galaxies to providing evidence of the universe's expansion, the Hubble telescope has played a pivotal role in our exploration of the cosmos. These incredible discoveries have expanded our understanding of the universe, but they've also raised new questions. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, we are left to wonder what other mysteries lie in wait beyond the stars. In the 21st century, we're not just observing the stars, we're visiting them. How, you might ask? Let's delve into that. Our curiosity, combined with technological advancements, has led us to a new era of space exploration. We've launched missions like the Mars rovers and the Voyager probes, reaching out to the cosmos seeking answers. The Mars rovers, for instance, have been our eyes and ears on the red planet. Their discoveries have been nothing short of phenomenal. They've found evidence of water in Mars' past, raising the tantalizing possibility that Mars may once have harbored life. The rovers continue to scour the Martian landscape, unraveling its many mysteries, one rock at a time. Then there are the Voyager probes, humanity's farthest and longest-serving spacecrafts. Launched in the late 70s, these probes are still operational, still sending us invaluable data from the very edges of our solar system. They've given us our first real look at the outer planets, their moons, and beyond. But our exploration isn't limited to our solar system. We've discovered over 4,000 exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Some of these exoplanets are eerily similar to Earth, with conditions that could potentially support life. It's an exciting prospect, isn't it? The idea that we're not alone in the universe. Besides, the detection of potential biosignatures in the atmosphere of Venus has further fueled our quest for extraterrestrial life. It's not proof of life, but it's a promising sign that we're on the right track. In essence, this new era of space discoveries is redefining our understanding of the universe. It's a thrilling time to be alive, to witness these monumental leaps in space exploration. But let's not forget, these missions are not just about discovery. They're about the potential future of humanity. They represent our hope, our aspiration to venture beyond our home planet, and perhaps one day, become an interstellar species. These missions are not just about discovery, but also about the potential future of humanity. So, where do we go from here? We've journeyed through the cosmos, from the dawn of astronomy to the unveiling of our solar system and beyond. We've witnessed the new era of space discoveries, from the exploration of exoplanets to the detection of gravitational waves. All these discoveries have only deepened our fascination and curiosity about the universe. Looking ahead, the future of space exploration is full of promise and potential. Innovations in technology and science are paving the way for more advanced telescopes and spacecraft, which will enable us to probe deeper into the cosmos than ever before. The possibility of manned missions to Mars and beyond is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. Scientists and astronauts are gearing up for these audacious voyages that will push the boundaries of human exploration and knowledge. As we continue to explore the universe, Who knows what new discoveries await us? The universe is full of wonders, and our journey through it is just beginning.